Thank you for your purchase of the MEE Audio EarBoost EB1 Wireless Earphones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your EB1 earphones and get the most out of your EarBoost Audio Enhancement app. The EarBoost app allows you to tailor the sound of your EB1 earphones to your unique hearing curve. You must download the EarBoost app and set up your audio profile in order to use these advanced features. The MEE Audio EarBoost app is available for both Apple and Android devices. Simply search for EarBoost in your phone's application store to find it. Once you have the app downloaded and installed, let's pair your earphones. To put the EB1 earphones in pairing mode, press and hold the play button for 5 seconds until the light flashes red and blue. Then, open the Bluetooth menu on the phone or tablet and find the MEE Audio EB1 in the list of available devices. On some phones, you may have to select Search, Scan, or Add New to refresh this list. Select MEE Audio EB1 and allow the pairing process to complete. You may see a message asking you to give the EB1 additional permissions. Confirm when this message comes up. Now let's wear the EB1 earphones. We include several different sizes of ear tips and ear fins in the package and recommend trying them all to find the best sounding and most comfortable ones for your ears. Tighten the cable cinch for a more secure fit. Now let's create your initial audio enhancement profile. To do this, open the app and click the Hearing Test button. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the test. The app will play a series of different tones and ask you to select whether you hear 1, 2, or 3 tones or no sound at all. The test will take less than 5 minutes to complete. Once you complete the test, return to the app home screen to see your custom EQ curve, which will be saved under the My EQ preset. You can now hear sound with and without the audio enhancement by using the preview button or playing music on a different app in the background and toggling the EarBoost on and off button. You may further adjust the sound manually by dragging each point up and down on the frequency response chart. You can also use the level slider to adjust all the points at once. Once you're finished adjusting the sound, select Save Profile and save your settings to one of the 2 available profiles. Your audio settings are then always applied whenever you use the earphones, even if you pair your earphones to a different Bluetooth device or delete the app altogether. However, you will need the app again if you ever decide to tweak the sound or create a new sound profile. Your EarBoost EB1 earphones are now set up with your personal audio settings. You can use them as you would a regular Bluetooth headset. They even have a built-in microphone for phone calls. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@meeaudio.com and we'd be happy to get those answered for you.